that shapes our world. And if you love construction innovation, we drop new videos every week. Hey folks, I'm Naim, and today we're diving into Formwork, the invisible backbone of construction. We're talking about the molds, the frames, the stuff that holds the wet concrete in place until it's tougher than my mother-in-law. Let's get into it. First up, we got steel formwork. This is the old reliable, the workhorse of the industry. Imagine giant heavy-duty Lego blocks, but instead of plastic, it's tough as nails steel. We're talking about panels, beams, and connectors, all designed to hold back serious pressure. Because let me tell you, wet concrete is a lot like a teenager trying to get out of chores. It wants to go everywhere where you want it. Now, steel formwork is built to last. We're talking using these things over 100 times, which is good because they require a hefty upfront investment. Think of it like buying a high-quality tool. You'll pay more initially, but it'll last you a lifetime and then some. This makes it perfect for those massive projects with repetitive layouts like skyscrapers. You pour a floor, strip the forms, move them up, and repeat. Efficiency is the name of the game here, but there's a catch, and it's a big one, literally. Steel formwork is heavy, like really heavy. You're gonna need some serious lifting power to move these bad boys around. Think cranes, forklifts, maybe even a team of oxen if you're feeling old school, and that means a bigger budget for your project. So, who's using this stuff? Well, if you've ever walked by a skyscraper under construction, chances are you've seen steel formwork in action. It's the industry standard for a reason. It's tough, it's reliable, and it can handle just about anything you throw at it. Just be prepared to shell out some serious dough. Next up, we're going to lighten things up a bit with aluminum formwork. Don't let the lightweight part fool you though. This stuff is still incredibly strong, almost as strong as steel, but about 30% lighter. That means easier handling, faster installation, and less wear and tear on your crew and your equipment. Think of it like this. Steel formwork is your reliable old pickup truck. It'll get the job done, but it's a bit of a gas guzzler. Aluminum formwork is like that sleek new sports car. It's still powerful, but it's more fuel efficient and a lot more fun to drive. Now, aluminum really shines when it comes to large-scale projects with repetitive designs. Think high-rise buildings, residential complexes, that sort of thing, and here's a bonus. Aluminum formwork can give you a smooth, mirror-like finish on your concrete. That means less time and money spent on plastering and finishing work later on. And if you're building in a place like Dubai, where they love their shiny skyscrapers, aluminum formwork is the way to go. It's no coincidence that many of those towering structures reaching for the clouds are built using this stuff. It's lightweight, it's durable, and it can handle the demands of modern construction. But just like that fancy sports car, aluminum formwork comes with a slightly higher price tag than its steel counterpart. But hey, you get what you pay for, right? And in this case, you're paying for efficiency, speed, and a finish that'll make your concrete shine. Chapter 3. Plastic Modular Formwork, the affordable game changer. Now let's talk about plastic modular formwork. This is the new kid on the block, and it's shaking things up. Imagine a giant Lego set, but instead of building castles, you're building houses, apartments, even entire communities. These lightweight interlocking panels are made from high-strength plastic, and they're surprisingly tough. Now, you might be thinking, plastic? For concrete? Really? But trust me on this one. This isn't your grandma's Tupperware. This stuff is engineered to withstand the immense pressure of wet concrete, and it's surprisingly durable. Plus, it's resistant to moisture, termites, and all sorts of other things that can wreak havoc on traditional formwork. But here's the real kicker: plastic modular formwork is incredibly affordable. Like, way cheaper than steel or aluminum. That makes it a game changer for affordable housing projects, disaster relief efforts, and developing countries looking for cost-effective construction solutions. Take Kenya, for example. They're tackling a massive housing shortage with an ambitious plan to build 500,000 new homes. And guess what they're using? You got it, plastic modular formwork. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's helping to provide safe, affordable housing for families in need. Now, plastic formwork might not be suitable for every project. You're not going to be building any skyscrapers with this stuff. But for smaller scale projects, especially those with repetitive designs, it's a game changer. It's affordable, it's easy to use, and it's helping to revolutionize the way we build. Chapter 4. Fabric Formwork, the Shape-Shifting Innovator. Alright folks, let's get flexible with fabric formwork. Now I know what you're thinking. Fabric? For concrete? Has Mike finally lost it? But hear me out on this one. Fabric formwork is like the chameleon of the construction world. It can adapt to any shape, any curve, any design you can dream up. Imagine pouring concrete like you're draping a giant sheet over a mold. That's essentially what fabric formwork allows you to do. It's perfect for those unique, free-flowing designs that would be impossible to achieve with traditional rigid forms. Think curved walls, arches, domes, even wavy, undulating surfaces. Now, fabric formwork isn't exactly a new invention. Our ancestors have been using fabric and concrete together for centuries. Remember the Sagrada Familia, that iconic basilica in Barcelona? Well, its gravity-defying arches and intricate vaults were built using a precursor to modern fabric formwork, hemp ropes soaked in plaster. Today we're using high-strength, flexible fabrics coated with special materials that prevent the concrete from sticking. These fabrics are then stretched and tensioned over a framework, creating the desired shape. Once the concrete is poured and cured, the fabric is simply stripped away, revealing a smooth, seamless concrete surface. Fabric formwork is particularly well suited for architectural projects where aesthetics are paramount. Think museums, art galleries, stadiums, and other structures that push the boundaries of design. It's also gaining popularity in infrastructure projects such as bridges and tunnels where its flexibility and adaptability are invaluable. So if you're looking to add some curves and creativity to your next concrete project, fabric formwork might be just what you need. It's innovative, it's versatile, and it's helping to shape the future of construction, one curve at a time. Chapter 5. Tunnel Formwork, the Speed Demon. Finally, let's talk about tunnel formwork, the speed demon of the construction world. This ingenious system is all about efficiency, allowing crews to pour walls and floors in one fell swoop. Imagine a giant concrete sandwich maker churning out rooms faster than you can say, "Bob's your uncle." Tunnel formwork consists of two large vertical panels connected by steel yokes or trusses. These panels are moved along the construction site, creating a tunnel-like structure. Concrete is then poured into this tunnel, forming both the walls and the floor slab simultaneously. The beauty of tunnel formwork lies in its speed and simplicity. Once the formwork is in place, the pouring process is incredibly fast. And because the walls and floor are cast together, you eliminate the need for separate pours, saving time, labor, and materials. This makes tunnel formwork ideal for large-scale projects with repetitive layouts such as hotels, apartment buildings, dormitories, and even hospitals. In fact, a hospital in China was recently constructed in just 10 days using tunnel formwork. That's right, 10 days. Now, tunnel formwork does have its limitations. It's not suitable for every project, especially those with complex designs or irregular layouts. But for those projects where speed, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness are paramount, tunnel formwork is a game-changer. So, there you have it, folks. Tunnel formwork, the speed demon of construction, helping us build the future faster than ever before. Formwork isn't just about holding concrete, it's about shaping the future. And as tech evolves, our cities will too. We've come a long way from mud huts, haven't we? If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Let me know in the comments, what construction tech should we cover next? Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.